Soak tomatoes in boiling water. Soak tomatoes. Then cut the onion. Cut the onion. Dice the onion. Slice the garlic. Then peel tomato. Peel tomato. Peel tomato. Peel tomato. Slice tomato. Slice tomato. Put it in a bowl just before you cut the carrot. Cut the carrot. Cut it all the way, but don't cut your fingers. Slice the peppers. Slice the peppers. Put them all veggies in the bowl. Put them all veggies in the bowl. Then put the oil in the pot. Fry the onion. Fry the garlic. Mix them all around the pot. Add the spices. Add the spices. Salt and pepper and turmeric too. Stir around. Stir around. Add the veggies. Add the veggies. Pour the water. Pour the water. Close the lid and let it sit. And cook the soup. Cook the soup. Soak the greens. Soak the leafy greens. Then serve the soup. Serve the soup. Enjoy your soup. Enjoy your soupy soup.